So, what's up, my people, and welcome back to another video with ZeroFX. If you want to become a profitable trader, if you want to make money in trading Forex, make sure you watch this video till the end because it's going to bless your life, okay? The first thing that I'll tell you is when it comes to trading Forex, me, I don't use completely indicators. I've been trading for 6 good years, and there's some things that just come with experience. You get to remove some things. You get that. Whenever you find that something doesn't work for you, you get out of the market. And mostly, I always use high time frames also in analyzing the forex market. Why is high time frames are the core values in the forex market? You get that. Now, let's try to talk about this. Let's first begin with the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly chart in ADUSD, you would see some good amount of you would see this. Let me show you something. You would see this type of structure in the market. And I always tell my students when it comes to analyzing the market, make sure you try to trade what you see. Don't trade what you don't see. Okay. Now, what do I mean by that? If you zoom out this and you look at this market, you see realize that we had a bottom of the market at this point. Okay. You get that? You had a bottom of the market. We had this, then we had this. You get that? Now, let's try to see daily exactly whether we can easily spot something in this market. As simple as that. Now, if you look at daily, I want you to look at something very easy. You would see this mark the bottom of the market in daily. I mark the bottom of the market. You get that? Now, since I mark the bottom of the market, we had price at this zone. Let me show you that. We have that zone there. Okay. Where market broke the structure at the zone here, you can see that. At the zone here, at that zone there. Market broke the structure at this zone. Now, if you can't see the structure I'm talking about, go to your line chart and try to look at this. We had price doing these zones. You see these all these level points here, all this. Then we had just an abrupt impulse. We call it a strong impulse and makes a tip, which is a high here at the zone here. Then we had a retracement back. Then price had to break this previous high, which was the first high that we just formed after the new structure of the market being broken. Now, let me tell you one thing. When a structure of the market like this is being broken, we have what we call an impulse, which is a very faster move in the market, and we always expect what we call a correction phase. Okay? Now, let's try to talk about something here, guys. Something very easy here. If you look at this zone, I want you to, we had what you call price breaking, making this high. We had a pullback, okay, after this impulse. Then we have price going back to form another high, which is this. Then we have a correction zone. So these are your support regions, okay? These are your support regions. These are your support regions. This is your support region. Why am I calling it my support? Because price is gaining momentum, push price to the next high. Now I want you to do this thing for yourself. I want you to do this thing for yourself. Do this. You see this zone? You're gonna mark the tip of the market, the highest tip of the market, which is that zone. That's the highest tip of the market at that zone. That's the highest tip in the market. Okay. Then you're gonna mark your support region. Your support region is just here. Okay, I hope you've understood support region. Support region is just like after this higher high, we have a correction phase. Okay, and at the bottom of the correction phase, we have a support region. And look, at this support region, we have something which is very nice, like a what? A W pattern, which is this. Okay, that is so nice. Now we figure out I've been holding this trade and making some good money out of this. Okay, we've been making some good money out of this pair. Now you figure out that after that price retraced back up to this previous support, and it's kind of becoming very hard for them to break this support. You get that? You understand that? The previous support which you have marked, price reversed back, and it's kind of becoming hard for them to break this zone. So, as a trader, what comes to your mind? Let me tell you something. We expect price ADSD to go back up to this previous high. And this high now is our source in the market. Okay, that's now our source in the market. Now, what do you have to do as a trader? I want to give you a very simple secret that you need to do. Go back to your candles. I was just trying to show you the exact structure in the market, exact structure by using light up, because sometimes you might fail to find those things like that. Now, I want you to see this. Look at the behavior of price at the support region. Okay. at the support. Now, if you look at this, we already have something like now a shoulder in the market. This one could easily become a shoulder in the market. Why? Why? Because this was like an impulse, high, then a retracement back. Okay? From your support, then price goes to another high. So what we expect in the market to do, we expect price to go back up to this shoulder, and price could even break that shoulder and keep moving until this high. And price, if the buyers are still more strong, they can still break this high and make another new high. Remember, what moves the market is your money. Okay, what moves the market is your money, nothing else. It's only your money. Now, if also a chance would happen, if price also breaks this support, it could also sell until this low, but the chances are very, very, very low. Let me tell you one thing: expect anything in the forex market at any time. All you need here is proper risk management. Okay, proper risk management, and that's the daily time frame. Now, if you go on to check on the 4-hour time frame, I told you at first I don't use indicators and I will never use them. I've ever used them and I will never use them again. Why? I told you some things come out of experience. Look at in the H4 time frame. You can really notice something very, very powerful. H4 time frame, can't you really notice something very powerful? This is your support region, okay? And price is just trying to respect this support region. So the question of the day is, what is really going to happen? Now, I want you to look at exactly this spot here. You look at exactly that spot there. If you look at this spot here, you can see price is ranging so much. A ranging market meaning that trying to buy enough time before they really move the market. That's the ranging market. This is a ranging market. Okay? This is a ranging market. What do you mean by a ranging market? Whenever you start seeing market moving in one same position, it's a ranging market. And this therefore means that they're trying to collect enough orders for both the buy from all the sides. Market is trying to gain liquidity from all the sides, the upper side and the lower side before they move the market. Remember, they have to hit your stop loss. You understand that? Now, I want you to serialize something very clear about here. Now, if you try to zoom out this, you're gonna zoom out this price level. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let me delete everything. Then we zoom out this price level. I want everybody to understand at the end of this. And don't forget that if you want to purchase my course, you can make sure you can contact me. Check my description. You'll find my WhatsApp number, and you can also click the link in my description to join my Telegram group and be part of the watching team. Okay, you're part of the watching team. Now, I rarely come to all these small time frames, but for right now, let me do that. Okay, if you notice this in the market, I'm just trying to explain to you something like a ranging market there. I'm just trying to explain to you something. But obviously, I always told my students, trade what you see. If you don't see something, don't trade it. If you don't see something, don't trade it. So we have something like a ranging market here. And I told you, market is collecting liquidity from both sides. So what does this call for you? If you are a long-term trader, you're gonna know your direction. But if you're a short-term trader, most people wait for a breakout. But sometimes a breakout can happen low, okay, as a stop hunt to collect liquidity, then he takes it back to the real direction of the market. So what you need to do is you need to understand the technique of manipulation in the forex market. How do you get manipulated and how do you not get manipulated, and how to spot manipulations? You get that? So if you look at that is AUDSD, it's a new week and we're trying to make some good money. We're gonna be trading. That's why this is a live trade. It's a live pair. We've been holding this trade for some time. We got some few pips from here up to here. We expect some market to move up, but there's still so much delay in the market. Why? Is there still less money in this one? You get that? There's still very, very less money. But even if you check on the weekly chart, you would see exactly the structure that I showed you. Look at the weekly chart. It's still a nice structure. It's still a nice structure. Why? It's still a nice structure. Look at this. Look at that zone. Okay? You look at that zone. It's still, this is like where the structure was broken to form a high. Let me show you that. This is where the structure was broken. This was the lowest point of the market. This is something like an M structure. We had like this. Let me show you something, guys. It's like having this M, then you get that. Then he comes and breaks this structure here. Okay. He pulls back up to form another high. You see that? As simple as that. As simple as that. Only trade what you see. It's always very obvious. This is the lowest point. This is where the market structure was broken. This is your first high. This is your correction phase of first retracement, which forms your support there. Another high forms your support there. This is the tip of the market. price retraces back up to the support even in the weekly chart. So we don't expect price to break this zone, but if it breaks that zone, well and good, we shall trade. We shall trade whatever the market gives us. We shall trade that. Okay, whatever the market gives me, I will trade that. There's nothing like no, 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 no. You don't have to be rigid in trading forex. Just become flexible, and whatever the market shows you, you go with it. As simple as that. You just go with it. I don't know if I don't use minute time frame. By the I'm gonna be open to you. I don't use this. These are just there, but I think I should even delete them because I don't use all this. All this is just bullshit to me. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's very important to you, but all this is bullshit. Why would you even trade 1 minute time frame? Doing what in 1 minute time frame? What are you trading? Come on, man. What are you trading in 1 minute time frame? Hey man, I don't see anything. But I told you one thing, guys. Some things you traders you learn with the time. Okay, so focus on this. Focus on this zone. We have this zone like a correction phase. Let's focus because we already had a bottom of the market there, and market is at the correction phase that I already showed you. This correction phase that I already showed you. This correction phase, not correction phase, but what? A ranging point in the market. Focus and let's see what will happen after this. We expect, of course, market to collect liquidity either from the up or downward. Thank you so much for watching the video. I remain ZeroFX, your number one meta. Don't forget to give me a follow. Click the link in the Telegram, and don't forget to leave a comment what you think about this video. If you want to be joining my course, of course, don't forget to WhatsApp me and be part of my course. Be able to join when you join my course, you'll be able to access my Zoom class, my Zoom recordings. Second thing is also you will also be able to access the discussion groups that you discuss on what I've taught you, and we discuss on the live markets. I want people who participate and be able to make money jointly and make more friends. I wish you all the best, guys. See you next time. Bye. I think I'm gonna just end this. I'm just gonna end this. I'm just gonna